You're red.
You're all green.
Do you like cake?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Ooh, red ooze tube. This looks good.
Ooh, yeah.
Ooh, red nerds. And some for me.
Whoa. Wait, why's my candy red? Let me fix this. Ah, that's better.
Ooh. Ooh, 10 out of 10.
Ooh.
More toppings.
Ooh. Ooh. Gummy eyeball.
Oh, cool. I have something too. Ooh. Candles?
Amazing job, you guys!
Time to eat.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good.
Try not to lose your head in this challenge.
Yeah? Ooh.
Ooh.
This looks good. Ooh, let's try mine. Huh?
What is it, Max?
Your head.
Ah! Wait, your head. What do we do?
Don't worry, I can fix this.
Whoa, thanks.
Yeah.
And here's your next challenge.
Ooh.
Yum. Wow, awesome.
Ooh.
Ooh, my turn.
I can see you're having fun.
Thanks.
This next challenge is a mystery.
Huh?
Ooh.
Me first.
Whoa.
I wonder how sour it actually is. Oh, it's really sour. Oh.
Let me see mine. Extremely hot? I like a challenge. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Let me try the whole box.
Don't do it, Max.
It's so hot. Ah!
Max is on fire this round.
Oh no, Max. Ah. Huh? Oops.
You turned me green.
Sorry.
Let's see what we have this round.
Nerd roast. Max, look at mine. What are you doing?
Hey, can I have some of yours?
No way. Oh, I know. My nose itches. Just kidding.
This next challenge will have you on the edge of your seat.
Ah.
Ooh.
Toilet candy? Wow.
Candy plungers? I need that.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh,
Rock, paper, scissors.
Share?
Okay.
Ooh.
Wow, great teamwork!
Thanks.
Who likes chocolate?
I do.
Ooh. Yeah.
I wonder if this still works. Oh, I know. I'm just gonna swap out her candy.
Oh, where'd my M&M go? Let's try this again.
I got you so good.
Okay, you guys, lift your lids!
Yeah.
I'm thirsty. He's distracted.
Hey, my drink. I know.
Whoa.
There's a soda.
Ooh. Hey.
Huh? I didn't want this.
Max.
Oh, sorry, Mia. Man.
You have to finish all your candy to pass this round.
Huh?
Ew. Ew, I don't want ooze tube.
I wonder if it works.
Oh, Max, can you use the laser pointer as a distraction?
Yeah, let me try.
Huh? What is that? Huh?
Now's my chance.
Oh, looks like it's working.
Yeah.
Shoo! Looks like you guys finished.
Oh yeah.
Whoever blows the biggest bubble wins.
Ah, too much gum.
Are you okay, Max?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ooh, looks like Max bit off more than he can chew.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for watching.